Speak up if you see unsafe behavior in the shop. Machine tools can cause serious injury, even death. Make sure anyone using your CNC is well trained, understands the risks, and can operate the machine safely. Don't extend material outside any machine. If you must, make sure it's properly and safely supported. Always secure loose clothing, hair, and jewelry. You can be pulled into the machine, resulting in severe injury or death. Bypassing safety features increases the risk of flying parts and debris. Never operate a CNC machine with the doors open. To recap, CNC machine tools can cause serious injury or death. Never override or bypass machine safety features. Loose clothing, long hair, gloves, long jewelry, and long sleeves should never be worn while operating the machine. Visit HaasCNC.com for up-to-date safety manuals on all of our machines. Remember, speak up if you see unsafe behavior in the shop. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.